Hey everyone, welcome to the Remodel Report by USA Cabinet Store. I am Will, and with me as always is Lily. Today we are talking about bathroom remodeling in Orlando. If you own a home in Central Florida and your bathroom still has those builder-grade fixtures from 2005, this one is for you.
So true, Will. And the numbers back it up. Nearly 4 out of 10 homeowners finished a bathroom update in the past year, and another 29% plan to start one soon. In Orlando specifically, the average home is 41 years old. That means original plumbing, dated layouts, and materials that were never designed for decades of Florida humidity. The market is growing 3% in 2026 alone.
Okay, so let us start with the big question. How much does a bathroom remodel actually cost in Orlando?
According to Angie, the average Orlando bathroom remodel costs about $10,500, with most homeowners paying between $5,700 and $15,400. Per square foot, you are looking at around $140 on average, but that ranges from $70 to $250 depending on your finishes. A cosmetic refresh starts around $5,000. A mid-range remodel runs $15,000 to $30,000. High-end projects go $30,000 to $60,000 plus, and luxury spa builds can hit $70,000 to $120,000.
That is a huge range. What makes Orlando different from other markets?
Humidity. That is the single biggest factor. The EPA identifies bathrooms as the dampest area of a home, and in Orlando, morning relative humidity averages around 88%. Standard particle board or MDF vanities will swell, warp, and fall apart within a few years. You need marine-grade plywood or sealed PVC cabinets that can handle constant moisture. That adds 15 to 25% to your material costs compared to drier climates. On top of that, Orlando's cost of living is over 7% above the national average, so labor runs higher too.
So what are Orlando homeowners actually choosing right now in terms of design?
The big shift is away from that all-white clinical look. Floating vanities are everywhere now because they let air flow underneath, which prevents mold in humid bathrooms. Warm wood tones like oak and walnut are replacing grey cabinetry. Fluted textures with vertical grooves are huge in 2026. For colours, think sage green, warm beige, and soft blue-grey. Matte black fixtures and mixed metals like brushed brass with polished chrome add personality. The House 2025 study found that 36% of renovated bathrooms now include wellness features like upgraded lighting, soaking tubs, or even water features. Wet rooms are up to 16% of all projects.
Okay, here is something a lot of people ask about. Do you need a permit for a bathroom remodel in Orlando?
Yes, for anything beyond cosmetic work. If you are moving plumbing, doing electrical, or changing your layout, you need permits from either the City of Orlando or Orange County. Florida also requires a notice of commencement filed with the Orange County Comptroller before you start any project over $2,500 for plumbing or electrical work. Skip that step and your inspections get delayed, which delays tiling and drywall, which can add weeks to your schedule. Your contractor should handle all of this, but always verify.
Let us talk about the return on investment. Is this actually worth it financially?
Absolutely. Mid-range bathroom remodels in Orlando recoup 60 to 80% of their cost at resale, and they can add $16,000 to $19,000 to your listing price. The highest ROI upgrades are water-efficient fixtures, especially since OUC offers rebates up to $125 per WaterSense toilet. Updated vanities with quality cabinetry, moisture-resistant flooring like porcelain tile, or luxury vinyl plank. And walk-in shower conversions are all strong performers. Tub-to-shower conversions cost $6,000 to $12,000 and return 55 to 70%.
All right, so if someone is listening and they want to get started on their Orlando bathroom remodel, what is the first step?
Choose your vanity and cabinets first. I know that sounds specific, but cabinet dimensions drive everything else. Your plumbing rough-in placement, countertop cuts, lighting locations. If you change cabinetry after rough-in, you are redoing expensive work. Visit a showroom, see the materials in person, and start there. USA Cabinet Store has an Orlando location where you can see vanities, countertops, tile, sinks, faucets, and hardware, all in one visit. They offer free design consultations. And check out their full guide at usacabynetstore.com/bathroom-remodeling in Orlando for all the cost data, contractor checklists, and material comparisons we talked about today.
That is great advice. Start with the cabinets, then build everything else around that decision. All right, let us wrap up with the key takeaways. Lily, give us the quick summary.
Here are the 5 things to remember. Number 1. The average Orlando bathroom remodel costs around $10,500, but ranges widely based on scope. Number 2. Humidity is your biggest enemy in Florida. Use marine-grade plywood cabinets, porcelain tile, and quartz countertops. Number 3. You need permits for anything beyond cosmetic updates. File your notice of commencement before work starts. Number 4. Mid-range remodels return 60 to 80% at resale and can add up to $19,000 to your home value. And number 5. Choose your vanity first. It drives plumbing, countertops, and lighting placement for the entire project.
Love it. If you want the full guide with cost tables, material comparisons, contractor checklists, and all the data we covered today, head over to usacabinetstore.com/bathroom-remodeling in Orlando. You can also book a free design consultation at any of their showrooms. Thanks for listening to the Remodel Report. If this was helpful, share it with someone who is planning a bathroom project. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Happy remodeling.